Essence of Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 13, Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yoga. The first 6 chapters dealt with 3 broad topics: Jiva Swarupam, Karma Yoga, and the importance of individual effort. The second portion of the Gita, chapters 7 to 12, discusses Ishvara Swarupam, Upasana Yoga, and grace of Ishvara. Now we enter the final section of the Gita, where the main topics of discussion are Jiva Ishvara Aikyam, the essential oneness of Jiva and Ishvara, Jnana Yoga, and values, Guna. The chapter begins with a question asked by Arjuna. This verse is present in some versions of the Gita but absent in others. Since it is a useful verse, we will include it here. Arjuna asked, O Lord, I desire to know the following: Prakriti, Purusha, Kshetram, Kshetrajna, Jnanam, and Jneyam. Arjuna mentions 6 technical words, but some of the words are synonyms. Purusha, Kshetrajna, and Jneyam are all the same consciousness principle called Atma. Similarly, Prakriti and Kshetram are 2 different words for the same matter principle, Anatma. So in effect, Arjuna is asking about Atma, Anatma, and Jnanam. Basically, any object I experience falls in the Anatma category. So the entire universe is Anatma. Taking this further, since I experience my body, it falls under Anatma also. The same goes for my mind. I experience emotions and thoughts, so the mind is an object as well. What is the nature of Anatma? Analysis reveals it is achetanam or insentient. One may argue that the body-mind complex is alive and sentient. However, that consciousness is borrowed, because when a person dies, the same body is no longer alive. Sagunam or endowed with attributes. Example, my body is thin or fat, tall or short. Savikaram or subject to change. Matter goes into unmanifest state by changing into energy and reverts back. When water boils, it becomes steam and condenses back to water. Manifest matter is called the universe. Unmanifest matter is called Maya. What about Atma? The entire universe falls under an object of experience. Atma is that which experiences it, the subject-witness principle. Without a subject, an object is not possible. The experienced object implicitly proves the existence of the experiencer subject, just like a photograph proves the existence of a camera. Therefore, Atma is I, the experiencer consciousness. What is the nature of Atma? Swami Paramarthananda defines, consciousness is not a part, product, or property of the body. Consciousness is an independent entity that pervades and enlivens the body. Consciousness is not limited by the boundaries of the body. Consciousness is not destroyed even if the body is destroyed. Consciousness survives the death of the body. Consciousness is still present even when the body is removed, but it is not detectable because there is no functioning medium. Krishna gives 2 examples to help us understand the Atma: light and space. We will look at space, which is the closest example for Atma. Atma is one like space. Atma cannot move like space. Atma is indivisible like space. Atma is not contaminated like space. Atma is the support of everything, like everything exists in space. Krishna moves to the third topic, Jnanam. Krishna describes the qualifications required for Atmajnanam, 20 in all, also called Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti. These can be condensed into 4 virtues and remembered as 4 Ds. Discrimination, the ability to distinguish between the temporary and permanent, between the real and unreal, between Atma and Anatma. It is the understanding that Atma alone is the source of security. Dispassion, reduced importance or detachment from physical sense objects in favor of increased importance given to Atma. 6-fold discipline, mind control, sense control, increased introspection or ability to withdraw, forbearance, the ability to take both positive and negative experiences in stride, faith or trust in the Vedic teachings, and concentration, desire for liberation to move forward in this spiritual path. Note, in this chapter, Krishna refers to the qualifications as Jnanam itself. In verses 25 to 35, Krishna presents Jnana Yoga and its benefits. The 5 stages to Jnanam are described as Karma Yoga, to remove the impurities of the mind, Upasana Yoga, to condition the mind to be tranquil and focused, then the 3 stages of Jnana Yoga, Shravanam, study, Mananam, conviction, and Nididhyasanam, assimilation of the knowledge. Krishna mentions a few benefits of Jnana Yoga. Sarva Samadarshanam, ability to see everything as the same, like seeing both the wave and ocean as water. The knowledge that I am not a karta or bhokta allows me to do my duty to the best of my ability without regard for the results. The essential nature of both the Jivatma and Paramatma are the same. This knowledge gives me moksha while I am still alive. This is called Jivan Mukti. Om Tat Sat.